sentence. This is the Burmans. Complete the sentence. All I want for Christmas is...
You! Ha! Andrea first!
James Reid at Isa Pressman, hiwalay na? Tila nagbunyi ang mga netizen matapos ang balitang kumakalat ngayon sa buong social media platforms na tila hiwalay na umano ang magkasintahang James Reid at Isa Pressman matapos mapansin ng mga mapanuring marites at netizens na hindi na nakafollow sa isa't isa ang dalawa sa kani-kanilang mga Instagram account. Lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat na isa sa mga pahiwatig sa SOCMED na kapag nagka-unfollowan na ang magkasintahan sa IG account ay tila hindi na nagkakaunawaan ang mga ito o di kaya hiwalay na. Kaya naman hinuha ngayon ng lahat ay kung talagang hiwalay na ba ang dating partner ni Nadine Lustre na si James Reid at kapatid niya si Pressman na si Isa Pressman. Narito ang ilan sa mga komento ng mga netizens. Ito ang pinakagusto kong entry ng mainit-init. Hahaha. Finally, the world is healing. Walang nagwawagi pag galing sa agaw. Happy single day sa inyong dalawa. Matatandaan na mas naging solid pa ang relasyon ng celebrity couple na si James Reid at Isa Pressman dahil sa hinarap ng mga pagsubok at kontrobersya nitong mga nagdaang buwan. Naniniwala ang magjowa na mas tumibay pa ang kanilang samahan at pagmamahalan matapos mapagtagumpayan ang mga pinagdaan ng pagsubok. Ani ni Isa noon, I think that for very single couple who goes through challenges, that's a good test to know how you're going to be there for each other. I think that moment really proved to me how much of a supportive boyfriend I have. Pahayag kamakailan ni Isa sa panayam ng Push Bets Live. Dagdag pa ng sisteraka niya si Pressman, I really felt like I wouldn't have gone through that situation if it wasn't for him. He really made me feel comfortable, strong, safe, very much protected. And he always made me see the positive in every single negative and that brought up the positivity in me. But I'm happy, we're happy. Anya pa, para naman kay James, I said what I said to say and yeah, now we're just living our lives and we're very happy. Reaksyon ni Riza sa naging pahayag ni James, he's obsessed with me. I'm obsessed with him, like making sure that we eat, making sure we're eating right. He's making sure that my health is correct because of my throat operation. He makes sure that I don't talk too much when I'm not supposed to. Mariin pa niyang sabi. Say pa ng actor, singer at record producer, it's honestly better than ever. Like we've been through a lot this year and it really tested us and it made us even stronger, like more than I could imagine. And I'm just happy. Nitong nagdaang March, kinumpirma ng magjowa ang kanilang relasyon sa pamamagitan ng isang official statement. Anya noon ni James, I usually never address bashers or get involved in hate culture, but I feel the need to speak up now because this is the start of something beautiful and I'm not gonna let anyone take that from me. All you need to know from me is that I'm the happiest I've ever been. Buong pahayag noon ni James Reid.